Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and market is standing at 1992. Things have changed drastically. The chart has changed drastically, and we can see that gold is bearish. Gold was sideways, number of opportunities were very less, and yes, we were waiting for a big move from after CPI. We got the move. Actually, the move was bigger than expected, and market fell below 2000. Okay, that was shocking. Anyways, let's look at the market sentiment. You can see here dollar hovers 3-month high on hot CPI report. Dollar index jump however 3 months high around 104.8 on Wednesday after jumping 0.7 in the previous session. As hotter than expected US consumer inflation data reinforced the view that the Federal Reserve will start cutting interest rates later than the market expects. Gold struggles below $2,000 per ounce as Fed cut bets trim. So overall, okay, the market is bearish right now because of strength on dollar. In simple words, the previous number was 3.4%. Market was expecting the numbers to be around 2.9%. It came around 3.1%, as a result of which we saw a big jump on dollar. And you can expect that because of fundamentals, we may see upside on the DXY right now. So you need to plan your trades accordingly, because for the next 2 or 3 days, you can expect that the dollar will remain bullish. And right now we can see that after the big move, dollar is coming for retracement. This is not a trend reversal. Trend reversal and retracement are different things. So we can expect that around 104.60 dollar will get some support and dollar will bounce back again. If that happens, again we will see selling pressure on gold, euro USD, GBP USD and others. And let's see what chart prime is saying, and we can still see the chart prime the market oracle pro indicator is indicating a strong bearish signal. And if you're also tired of telegram signals, then my dear friends, you can also generate signals like this on the chart. You can see that more or less these signals are very accurate, but yes, 100% accuracy is not possible for any indicator. So with proper risk management, you can definitely expect to make some good profit. So these are the signals generated by the market oracle pro on the 1 hour time frame of gold. See, this was the buy signal, then it told us about the strong bearish sign, bearish buy. You can see that overall the signals work pretty nicely. And already we have discussed about the prime oscillator pro in a previous video. So right now we can see that gold is still bearish as per the market oracle pro from chart prime. If you want to take your trading to the next level, you can check out chartprime.com. They have powerful indicators like market oracle pro that we have seen, market dynamics pro, prime oscillator pro. And you can see the reviews are also extraordinary. People are extremely happy. The users are very happy with their service. And if you want to know more about the indicators and strategies that you can use, okay, just go to the tutorial section. You'll find a lot of strategies and you'll come to know that how these indicators work. They have a monthly, quarterly and premium yearly payment system, but they also have 7 days money back guarantee, so that you can check yourself whether the indicator is working for you, whether the indicator is useful or not. If you feel that okay, it is not working for you, it is not your type, then obviously you can go for money back guarantee. But yes, if you are looking for a solution to your trading problems, then yes, chart prime can be the #1 solution. The link is in the description. Feel free to check out. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold. Yesterday on the Pro Trader group, okay, we had a live session. We had a sell stop at 202423, and I also placed a buy stop at 2032. So the market dropped and my sell stop was triggered, and we all made a good profit. Honestly speaking, I was not expecting this big move. I exited at 2010. 130 pips is a good number of pips for a 40 pips trader like me. So I was happy. And honestly speaking, I was not expecting this heavy move on gold. And yeah, many people from the group, okay, they continued their sell position. They exited around 2000. But we can see the structure of the market has changed drastically right now. So let's look at the trading opportunities for today. So first of all, we need to understand one thing very clearly, the right now market is bearish. Okay, right now market is bearish. So if you already have a sell on gold, then you can be with the sell position, because further downside is very much possible. And if you're looking for fresh position, then I'll say that it's better and safer to be on the sell side only. The first selling opportunity will be around 1998 to 2000 level, because 2000 was the support. So if market goes up to 1998 2000 level, observe the market. And if market reverses, if you see the market is struggling around the area, especially during the Asian and European session, you can look for a sell around this area again. But yes, still there is a possibility that if market breaks 2000 level, market may try to go up again. Okay, market may try to stay above 2000 again. So yes, 2000 can be a very critical level. Though market broke 2000 level yesterday very mercilessly, but still I believe the market will try once. So if market reverses for 1998 2000 level, we can look for a sell. But if you see the market is going up, then yeah, you can also go for a buy above 2000 as a day trader. Okay, I also took a buy at 2001 yesterday. I exited 2005. Okay, luckily it worked for me, but later on when I saw this candle, I was really surprised. And if you see that market is bearish, market is not going for retracement, the sellers are dominating the market, in that case, my dear friends, you can look for a sell below 1988. You can look for a sell below 1988, the previous low, and you can be on the sell position, because probably you know it very well that the next support on the chart of gold is around 1980 to 1975. Okay, we have talked about this, discussed about this a lot of times. Let me show you once on the 4 hours time frame. This is a support here. So 1975, 1980 is the next support. So if market breaks the previous low here, market will head towards 1980 to 1975. So if you already have a sell, be on the sell position, because further downside is possible. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then wait for the market to retrace and reverse. If market reverses for 1998 2000 level, you can look for a sell. But in case market surprises us, because still there is a chance that market will try to climb above 2000 level. If you see that gold is standing at 2000 with a big green candle, try to avoid. Okay, and on the other hand, if market breaks 1988, we can be on the sell, because next support will be around 1975 1980 level. Personally, I have not placed any buy limit right now, but yes, maybe I'll go for a buy limit around 1977. Okay, today I was very busy because we have Saraswati Puja. So you can see here I'm wearing a kurta. Anyways, and if also observe the chart of DXY, keep your one eye on DXY. If DXY shows strength again, which is okay, there's a high chance, then obviously we will see further selling pressure on gold. That's all from my side, my dear friends, and probably you guys already know that I have already announced the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support, and again I'm repeating, it's not for beginners. It has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for months and years. My dear friends, the link will be in the description. You can go to the link. Okay, you'll get all the details here. You'll also find my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. At first, you'll come across a questionnaire so that you can understand that whether you should be spending money or not. Okay, previously I used to teach for free, but okay, free stuff doesn't get respect, so I charge a very nominal fees. But don't worry, it's the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. These are the topics that I'll be covering during the workshop, and during the 1 month support, you'll be receiving regular market updates, trade setups, analysis on the WhatsApp group, and we also have a Telegram community for the interaction among the members. The best part is that you'll find traders from all around the world on the community. Anyways, we also have weekly classes after the workshop. These are the topics that we'll be doing. So total 7 classes, and these are the dates: 1st, 2nd, 3rd March for English. Hindi classes 9, 10 and 11. Okay, and classes are conducted via Google Meet, and everything is recorded so that you don't need to worry if you miss the class also, because traders from all around the world are interested, they participate, but because of time difference they are not sometimes they are not able to participate, so I record everything. Okay, 3 days workshop with only 1 month support is only $15 rupees 1000 for Indians, and these are the benefits that you will be receiving. And obviously trading takes time, so you can also look for personal sessions. In that case, you can go with semi-annual program, which is only $65 with 2 personal sessions. And lifetime, if you like my work, if you like me, then yes, you can go with lifetime support for only $125, where you'll also receive 6 personal sessions with me to clear your doubts, to answer questions. You can join now also. You don't need to think that if you join at that time, then only okay you'll be entitled for 1 month. No, if you join now also, you'll be receiving free analysis, updates, everything, okay, till the workshop. After that, you'll be gaining the 1 month support. So you can join now also, okay, you'll be receiving everything free of cost. Okay, anyways, thanks a lot from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and please follow proper risk management. Be careful, because the market has shown extreme volatility yesterday, so there may not be much moves today, because volatility always works like this. Market is not volatile every day. Okay.